guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you want to know how I got this Bob Ross painting on my head, my forehead, keep on watching because it's worth it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. Yeah, I think this challenge was done a little bit ago and I'm just now catching up, you know? It's fine. But today I'm going to be doing the Bob Ross painting challenge with my makeup, or Bob Ross inspired makeup, because I know this is not going to turn out exactly like a Bob Ross painting. But anyway, yeah, this is gonna take me a while, so we might as well just get into this video. And don't forget, if you're new, to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. You know, trying to get to 100 subscribers. So yeah, help me out. And anyway, let's get into this video. So I googled pictures of Bob Ross paintings and trying to find one that wasn't too difficult or too challenging for me, because I'm going to be sitting here while trying to draw a damn tree on my face. So yeah, and mountains. So this is the Bob Ross painting that I decided to do. If you can see, it has it's like pink, pink sky, and the sky's like reflecting onto the water, and then you have like the trees and the mountains in the background. I was like, that looks easy enough to do. So yeah, look how cute my laptop stickers are. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna have my laptop on my lap so I can refer to it while I'm doing my makeup. But so I think the first thing I'm going to do is my eye makeup, because I need to get an idea of what colors. I think I'm gonna do pink, like a pink, blue, purple thing on my eye, and I'm gonna shade my forehead in pink, and then I'm gonna draw some mountains and then some trees. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Today I think I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, of course, my go-to palette for everything I do. And I'm trying to think what colors I'm going to use today. Okay, so the sky's pinkish, so I think I'm gonna do a bubblegum pink thing, something like that. Or should I do? Oh, I have an idea. Okay, so first color I'm going to use with a Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to go in with this dark purple. Oh, I just dug my nail into it. And I think I'm going to just, hold on, I need a mirror. Hold up, we're not going yet. Back it up. Can't look through my phone. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna take that dark purple color that I just showed, and I'm going to pack it onto just my outer crease. So once you have that purple packed on really well, I'm then going to take the bright pink color here, and I'm going to apply that to the middle of my crease, because we're going to do a blending effect of the colors. Now I'm going to go in with I'm gonna use blue, I think, but not a bright blue. Yeah, I'm going to use this blue. It's a navy blue on my eye, and I'm going to put it on the inner crease. And you're just packing it on. So then once you have those colors blended in, I'm then going to take my Morphe M503 brush, and I'm going to make sure it's clean. And I'm going to just blend the colors and make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay, once we have those colors blended out onto the eye, I'm then going to take my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm going to cut my lid and make a cut crease. I'm using my IT Cosmetics brush, and I'm using the concealer brush end to make the cut crease. Once we have our crease cut, we're then going to blend the crease in with the colors. So for the rose gold color in the middle, I'm going to use the champagne color right here on the James Charles. I'm just going to apply it to the area where on top of the lid that we cut the crease. I'm gonna take the color Clutch Your Pearls in the Pretty Rich Too Faced palette and apply that on top as well, just so we get that like holographic kind of vibe. And it's like very pigmented. I'm then going to take the color in the James Charles palette right here. I'm going to apply that to my inner crease. So for liner today, I'm going to use the NYX Vivid Brights color. This is a pink liquid liner. Haven't used it yet, so I'm excited to use this. I felt like the pastel pink went good with this look I was trying to do. I'm digging it. I'm digging the vibes. So I have one eye complete. I'm going to go and finish my other eye makeup and put my mascara on, and then we'll get into the Bob Ross effect. Hey guys, so I'm back. I did my face makeup or my eye makeup, and I got Bob Ross vibes going, you know, like the pinkish sunset vibe. So now I'm going to start my face artist makeup So I'm going to use the James Charles palette, and I think I'm going to do the mountains and the background on my forehead, and then the trees on the side, I think. We're gonna see where this takes me. I'm going to take my James Charles palette, I think I've said this 100 billion times already, and I'm going to start out with yellow, the yellow in the palette. I'm going to begin the sunset cream. I'm going to use a cream color too. And again, this cream sunset that he has. After we do the fading and the shading, then this is where the tricky part begins. The thing is, I don't have white. That's one thing I need if I want to do these artsy cool things, is I need white colors, and I don't have it. Maybe I can do concealer and put a matte white on top. Let's try that. So we're gonna start the outlines of the mountains on my forehead. I don't have white. Okay. So I'm gonna take some concealer, and we're going to begin outlines of the mountains. Out again. Like that. And gets another point. Like that. Yep. Oh my god, this is looking good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. for my highlight, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup stick, glitter stick. Apply that to my cheeks. And I'll usually just take my finger and blend that out. I'm going to use my NYX Linger, I have no idea how to say that, but it's this like lip matte cream. I'll apply that to my lips. Too much shit. Okay, so guys, this is the final look. I'm going to do a quick little video of my up close face of my So guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like it if you like this video. Comment down below, let me know what you think of my Bob Ross painting. It took me forever to do, but I did it. I did that. I think it turned out really good, especially for my first time doing a Bob Ross painting recreation. But yeah, thank you guys for liking and subscribing to me. I really appreciate you guys. Send you all my love. To like, comment down below, subscribe, the whole deal, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.